Okay, we're starting this one. It's the evening before we go. Just got my racks for the camera finally on. Thanks to my boy Aaron sending them from Smithers. Just gotta load the sled up, throw the cover on, then I'm gonna go pick up Taylor tonight. It is dumping up in the mountains, but it is pouring rain down here. I got my headlamp on. Gonna load the truck up. Excited, this is gonna be the first deep day I think we get in Squamish, and it's December 2nd. We're gonna just get some more stuff and we get ready. Okay.
Oh baby.
Taylor's
Got back together. Fucking ripped apart the skid, new track, new rails. Got the mustard base in there. Dropped a few bolts into the engine bay, but made it happen. She's back together. New drivers on there.
Where are the old ones? The old ones right there. Fucking the nick of time.
Oh yeah.
Ready to go for tomorrow, baby. Tomorrow's gonna be deep. I'm excited. Except for I'm gonna be stuck all the day.
First cloud in the year.
Yes. Do you have any Polaris oil? I ran out.
What? Sorry?
Alright, we had to backtrack, but Brody Floor Truck saved our ass again and help us get some oil. Okay, we got her full of oil. Got the camera case on today. Continue on, sir. I'm listening. Honestly, what?
I said in all honesty, the suit fit. If the shoe fit.
Ah, that is so hard, dude. My fingers, that hurts. Anyways, we're gonna get loaded up. We're gonna get up the trail. I'm gonna fucking hook up the GoPro in a bit so we can save it for better powder action.
You want your lunch?
And then, yeah, we're gonna get her going here.
Hours later.
Okay,
We're here.
day later with Adam. We're just not gonna talk about yesterday, but that's how sledding goes. We just came in from up there thinking we were gonna do a little putt in the shitty weather, but sun's making an appearance. Just gonna pull the GoPro out and we're gonna try and salvage whatever this weekend is now until the weather gets bad, because the freezing level is about to rise and all this is gonna go to shit.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Yeah, lead the way.
You wanna go down here?
Yeah. Well, we got the sun, we might as well. Oh, lucky for me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
we have to keep moving. Yeah, here he is! This is so sick! Oh no! We got it. God damn it. Fuck. That is not good. Well, classic GoPro. Didn't get on video, but I got her out. Oh, that was dumb. Woo! Sledding's fun. But man, that was dumb. Like well, mission accomplished so far. That's crazy. No!
that to myself, yep. Pretty torn up. What? Pretty torn up. Yeah, we were yesterday. Holy fuck! That got crazy. Well, I tried to follow you and I got fucked up in there.
Yeah, it gets deep. There's some loaded areas.
And I hit a rock, but we're good.
You good?
Yeah, we're real good.
Just make your way backwards this way and make your way back.
Yeah, I'm down with that. Holy fucking shit! Well, that is the most vertical I've ever got in my snowmobile. And I liked it. Hey, I even got air here. Look at that. First for everything with this guy today.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, I took the easy route on that one. There's so many rocks on that hillside.
Oh, it's rocks everywhere.
Well, folks, we call this a video. We learned a lesson about snowmobiling. Not every day is perfect, but you gotta make do with what you got. So, day 2 on a Sunday, brought my honey out for her first time snowmobiling. She's happy, I'm happy, and we're gonna call her a day. Video's done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We'll be doing videos all winter long, and Adam can't wait. That's a wrap. Pound the camera, babe. Pound the camera.